Hi guys, welcome bright stars. At this point, let's explore simple fraction addition and subtraction. Let's go for it. We have these two fractions, 2 over 8 and 6 over 7. And we want to add them, multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 2 times 7, which is equal to 14. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 8 times 6, which is equal to 48. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 14 plus 48, which is equal to 62. Multiply the two denominators. So we have 8 times 7, which is equal to 56. And that is all. Hit like, subscribe and share your thought below.